The image depicts a Venetian canal scene with several gondolas. The gondolas are traditional, long, slender boats, propelled by gondoliers using long oars. The gondolas vary slightly in design and color, but generally feature a dark wood exterior, upholstered seating, and some decorative elements. The canal is lined with historic buildings characteristic of Venice, featuring colorful facades, balconies, and window boxes filled with flowers. The buildings exhibit a mix of architectural styles and ages. The image depicts a person walking down a city street. The person is wearing a red hoodie, gray pants, and hiking boots. They are carrying a wicker basket in one hand and leading a dog with a cat riding on its back. The dog appears to be a Rottweiler or similar breed, and the cat is a gray tabby. The person is walking past parked cars, indicating an urban or suburban setting.